brand new steering wheel. And it's almost like it drives better. But yeah, it definitely looks better, and no hole on the top at 12 o'clock anymore. It's fully fresh. And check it out. Just turn cruise control off. Really nice wheel. Actually ordered it from eBay, and it showed up, and it was exactly as advertised. I was just gonna get a factory, used factory steering wheel, but I stumbled across this, and I had to pull the trigger on it. It was so nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it, because I see police behind, so. Uh-oh. Okay, I think we're good. But, yeah, don't mess with those guys. So yeah, just had to share this with you. This wheel is really nice. That's pretty much it. It's V8, I'm signing out. Peace and blessings to everyone. Hope everybody's doing well. See you in the next one.